That's why I didn't press nothing. Wait. Oh, so literally only one.
When I first found it, I thought it said spiral. Oh, brother! But he made me get it wrong, damn it.
That's pipe. That's pipe right there. So we refer to him as pipe.
I can just say it off the name. You can go that far. Traction tire is the best.
I don't know.
Alright, top of the morning. It's Monday. Hope you had a good weekend. Hope you had fun. Hope you're feeling good. Hope you're feeling great. It's like Tatooine. What happened, Mud? Damn. I guess he is not. I tried to dap my boy, he dubbed me. But yeah, hope your weekend is good. Yeah. So we're in here. We're trying to do 4 struts on a Camry. But I'm not even fiending to like do it for real, cause I've literally done struts on this exact car before, so you know, it's kind of like whatever. Cause I've done this before in my free time, but look. I guess I'm Gregory today.
Yes, the fuck you are, you ungrateful bitch. Now zoom in on the baby.
It's cause I'm hangry. It's cause I'm hangry.
Yeah.
That is what allergies.
Yeah.
Surprised you walked outside.
I know, right? Cause y'all would have fucking crucified me if I didn't. Yeah. Y'all would have got on my ass if I didn't.
That's what we saying. That's the second thing I saw. This is trash. Let me record it.
I might as well show it off for the people that care about it, you know?
Wait, who said it's trash?
I did.
That's crazy.
I did. I know you. I know you. The distributor. The distributor.
You used to be able to get coils for this that went up to 70,000 volts.
Damn. Yo, this is crazy.
Trust me, I got woke up with one time.
What's that? Oh, that's the brake master.
Again, not what? Not original, because this didn't come with power brakes. This came with drums on all 4 corners.
Oh, hell no.
You probably seen it get created.
What you think about that car? What's the review? Yeah. I didn't know until I seen it in the store. I'm like, bro, what the fuck? How did I miss this?
Yeah, no, it wasn't. It wasn't. Because it was literally kids, like, what? You see the president, he was trying to speak to the kids. Like, he was trying to, I'm working a lot. I'm behind my father.
They weren't trying to hear that.
I wasn't hearing that. as soon as they finished, all of them came straight up to me because they little dread had little black niggas in between. So
they want somebody
they
that
want
look like
somebody
them.
exactly to explain to them like, yo, how this is about. They moms over. Oh, I see the Benz snatch on you and electrical systems.
I know that shit felt mad.
I'm like, yo, like,
I mean, shit, I plan to get my watch.
yo.
I know that shit felt mad.
Yeah,
Good.
yeah, man.
I'm waiting for my hair to grow in a little bit more.
Oh, you don't need to lock that?
I'm getting my high top though.
Why the high top?
You want one two. You want one two. For certain styles, it's gonna be over.
You gonna be like DDG, bro.
Yeah. And then if you don't get a single, like if you don't get, you gonna start looking like this.
What did I say in the very beginning?
So,
How was your dreads before? It was
They're right.
yeah, so yeah, high top coming down like this.
these shit just gotta get long enough with a weight.
Yeah.
I had semi-reform markers. It looked good when I had it.
I would get my dreads.
Oh, no, but high top.
I be wanting to get braids. I be wanting to take these shits out and get braids sometimes.
Tell me, come back. Come back,
I
man.
never had braids. I show you the video. I had braids.
Get the braids, bro. You gotta get the braids, bro.
I laugh at them. Fucking laugh at me, right? They just call me keyboard card.
Twins, braids, freedom, get the possibles, anything, bud. Anything.
Yo, Rock, you got a light?
Yeah. We always I appreciate it. We always you don't know him. I just woke up every day. Nobody knows. I just go like this. Oh, boy. Do what? I had this style for like almost a month.
This shit still looks fresh. I don't even know when I got it done. I didn't know that done.
Oh.
If I didn't cut my locks, I dead was dying.
Bro, you know your height.
Bro, I'm telling you, I rocked the high top, bro. I rocked the high top, bro. I made it work. I made the high top work, bro.
He has four, one, two.
You guys got it back in?
Dang. And you can't make a full cut of hair, bro?
Well, that's the thing. My full free time, so I wasn't doing nothing crazy with it. I was just letting them grow up with it. Now for something like that, yeah, I gotta see how you want to full head, because you doing some custom shit, you gonna look goofy. But I was rocking freedom, so I wasn't gonna do nothing crazy.
Even if, when I was freeforming my hair, bro, I still had the full head of hair. I never jacked. The only time I ever height I was when I got the mohawk.
Look at it. He was like, all we gotta do is just get it in there a little bit.
Now mohawk, I did not all the way from top to bottom.
Mohawk was right here.
I
That
had
shit was like, nah, it was like, it wasn't no matter what. It was like right
Take
here.
wire ties, put them here to here.
No, I just had it full all the way, and then I had like a design on the side.
So it was a rock.
I really thought I was the shit when I had that.
I wanted to be a rock star.
And now that I'm thinking about it, damn, I felt stupid.
That shit's not it. That waves. Waves, my waves was always spinning.
I can never get waves to work for me. I'm too patient.
Buy an Audi. It'll be your best investment. And then I'll fix it for you.
Boy said buy an
so
Audi. He repping
He looks so
Mercedes. He a
professional
fraud.
on
He
the
a
camera,
fraud. He
bro.
a traitor, son.
You know,
He a traitor,
Look at the
son.
camera.
I
look
could fix
professional on the
Mercedes too as well.
He's all European.
I'm skilled in electrical systems. You can give me a call.
Get that Audi feature, you heard? Who
Give me a
this?
call. I'll get your tires right. I guarantee you.
It's the American.
I guarantee you. Get your drag tires on, get your slicks. I got all that for you. I got you.
This is crazy, bro. I'm not going to the store on Thursday. Nah, I'm getting tipsy. I'm not coming to the store.
My birthday on Sunday this year. Oh, yes.
Shit, let me check my birthday.
Mercy, please.
Got you right here.
Yo, this shit is actually like 4K.
That shit whack my iPhone.
So right now, guys, our teacher figured out that there is a nut in the back that he has to untighten. And here's said teacher.
See, we need to do this more.
See, we all finna be content
I
creators.
feel like you have a different perspective.
I mean, hey, there's nothing wrong with making extra money doing something else.
Somebody show me how to use TikTok.
Bro, let's be
You have
honest.
a different perspective than everyone else here.
Not even that. Think of it like this, right? What's
Yo,
wrong
and you
with...
gotta help Cardi with his TikTok, my fault.
No, you good.
I gotta get my TikTok.
I seen that nigga TikTok. Nigga, I'm looking, this shit was like a PowerPoint, bro. Right? It was tough, but that shit was like a
That was auto
PowerPoint.
cut. That was auto cut.
Honestly, there is nothing wrong with recording the things that you love doing. And a way to get more bread in your pocket, it's a win-win, honestly.
To record it? Ain't nothing wrong with
Yeah.
recording it, bro.
Exactly. Especially some shit you interested in.
Yeah, Mary. Do I know you? Become appreciators, bro.
there, my boy.
Need a longer rack.
And then you see our tough supervisor walking down. Oh, that's our foreman right here. He's nonchalant.
Yeah, because he's going to put it on that shit first, I'm assuming. And then spin that shit all together at once.
Unc speaking? Unc is speaking right now? Uh-huh.
You doing, bro?
You just got stuff in here. You just keep moving and not make sense of it. You got stuff in here, bro.
Well, you're working, that's why.
Freshen you up, man.
My people are nervous.
There's no such thing as freedom in a world full of violence and wars. It's only delusion.
Do you believe in freedom?
What? What? Oh, what the fuck? You! L snap on! The fucking socket is broken!
Oh
Snap
my
on
God.
fish!
L snap on.
L snap on! No, it's snap back.
Nah, you gotta stay at Harbor Free.
Yo, that's one right there.
All right. Due to recent yelling,
Another 12. Oh my goodness.
the socket broke.
Yeah, look at that.
Show it to the camera. And where is it broken at, foreman?
That's not P snap on. We expect more
Snap
from
on.
snap on.
Crazy.
Should I just drop it on the floor?
No. It still has
You
warranty.
get it back. You got warranty on it. Get it back. Get a new one.
Oh.
Nigga like me, I'm destroying that shit.
Oh, that's where it snapped at. Shop snap on.
I'm just watching the YouTube videos. Niggas be going 11,000 in depth for snap on. For they two-part. Yeah, for they two-part and they two.
I'm not going in depth over that.
Yeah, might as well pay cash for that, right?
Buy me a new car with that money. I'm good.
94.
I remember the first time they told me to
94, man.
snap
What up,
on.
man?
Look at a two crib.
Yo, whoever called this is old, bro. Niggas old, bro.
Bro, the fucking socket broke again!
What that about fish? 2 times? That about fish? 2 times?
Whoever called this is old. Snap on is not it right now, bro.
Snap on, snap off. Oh my god!
Ladies and gentlemen of the video, this is the reality of being in the shop. Things can break. A lot of things can break. And apparently today, it's the tools. 2 sockets. Cracked.
You're not showing the crack side.
What the heck?
Take a photo of this.
Yo!
This is gotta be a story.
2 sockets.
Square 9.
Square 9.
Hold on, Jamal. What about the 9?
Don't look out the 9.
You think our class has bad luck?
I don't think we have bad luck.
I think this
we have
bay.
phenomenal
I
luck.
think this bay is bad
Yeah, I
luck.
think bay 2 is just not a good bay.
Yeah. Chris's drive shaft didn't fit. Now the nut will come off.
I feel like it's bay 2. I don't know. Something about bay 2.
You know, it might be the remnants of the old dyno.
You know what it could be?
That is insane.
We got Baron Curse does?
He did him something. He put some